It is time for package from China. Alright, let's take a close look at the Pandora Box 5S. What comes inside the package? That's the first thing we are going to start with this video. It comes with a VGA cable, so if you have just an old school or 4x3 monitor, you can use the Pandora on it. It got its own speaker, so that is really neat. External power supply, 12 volt 3 amps. That's the basic power supply they're all using. I live in the Netherlands, so I got a European cable. And basic manual with a little bit of explaining. USB cable, they are saying you can connect it to your Xbox 360 and PS3, but we're going to check that out in another video. And a very long HDMI cable. I'm going to set a long distance from my television, so a long cable, this comes in handy. So let's take a close look at the stick itself. It's a very cheaply made version, and the reason why I'm saying this is because the bottom is of plastic. I'm not a big fan of it, but I wanted to check it out for myself and for you. What is the quality of this product? Alright, the button layout is 6 button, coin, start, and a basic arcade stick. But let's take a close look at the back of the Pandora. It got an on and off switch, pretty damn basic. Here we can plug in your power supply, HDMI, VGA, and sound out, little volume scrolling wheel for adjusting the sound of the Pandora, and the USB connector where you can plug it into another device. What I think is very important, what kind of quality buttons and joysticks they are using, because this will bring you a good experience of arcade gaming. The stick itself is a little bit loose, but got a nice clicky sound to it. Really love it. Feels like a good stick. The buttons are the same like a lot of arcade stick. They are not horrible, got a very long travel, but they feel not really good quality buttons like in Sanwa, for example. The small buttons are a little bit stiffer, but yeah, that doesn't matter. Coin, start, and that's it. This stick is pretty damn basic, and what I'm really missing out already is, where is my button for going back to the freaking menu? Yes, you got an option, but you need to push the coin and start buttons at the same time, and that doesn't work very good. Alright people, I've powered on the stick. Really awesome intro. Wabba game.
Pandora's Key 5S.
And how does the menu look? It's the same menu like the Pandora Key 4. Alright, got all those really neat preview videos. Let's go through the list. One and 30 pages. And if I look at the game list, is slightly the same like the Pandora's Box 5. The only difference is here that we have a lot of homebrew versions. Homebrew versions from Metal Slug, Street Fighter and that kind of games. And there are many games on this one. Alright, let's do some gameplay. The first game I'm going to try out is Excite Bike. This is an old game I played a lot as a child on my NES, and these are those games that you don't find on the Pandora Box 5. What you by the way hear, the music is from the box itself. No extra external speakers. Woo! Alright, let's play a little bit of a Street Fighter 2 homebrew, and I just figured out what a homebrew version is. This is just like the original game, or it's slightly slower. The Hadouken is bending a little bit, and the funny thing is when I press the start button, I can swap characters when I'm fighting. Breaker's Revenge. I really like this game, it's really awesome. Really neat fighting game. Did a gameplay on my channel. And what I'm really noticing is that the stick is really responsive. Maybe not doing so much stick, but yeah, this is really awesome that they put in a good stick. Come on, bring it on. And let's do a little bit of R-Type Neo.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
One of my favorite shmups. Alright, I need the blue one, I need the blue one. And what you already can see is running really smooth on the system. And now we are going to play a little bit of Street Fighter Alpha. With my favorite character, Akuma. Ow, 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 ow. Man, he's really beating me up. It's the freaking first stage. Ow. Alright, for the last game we are going to play a little bit of Street Fighter 3 Third Strike. And why? It's very simple. This is a very a very graphical game, and this is something some of these systems can have problem with. So what I'm already noticing is that it's running really smooth. Everything sounds like it should be. So for the final conclusion about the Pandora Box 5S. Keep in mind there are a lot of different versions, and mostly I'm talking about the 5S, I'm talking about the PCB board that is inside. I've chosen this Sonic clone lookalike with a pretty basic shell, and I was just curious and I wanted to show you how it looks and what is the quality. But overall the games itself run fine. Mortal Kombat is not on it. I'm happy that it is not, because it is not running very well on the Pandora Ski 4, 5 and maybe 6, but that's something we need to find out in the future. Overall, yeah, it's a really nice stick, nice quality, good quality sticks, and it is basic as it can be. Well, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and I'd like to try to respond as fast as possible. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and see you next time. Bye bye. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.